Welcome to the day one of the ALCF AI Testbed Cerebras training workshop. Just a note that we'll be recording these sessions and we'll be publishing them after the sessions. So today we have an exciting program lined up to learn more about the Cerebras system and how they can be used for accelerating different applications. For those who are new, we are Argo Leadership Computing Facility, which is a US Department of Energy lab. We provide world-class computing resources for the broader scientific community. We also have a diverse set of hardware platforms, one of the largest supercomputers, and also in-house experts to help the science teams to make the best use of these resources. And our architecture supports different types of computations, like the simulations or the data-intensive apps or the traditional or the emerging AI-based science applications. On that front, so we also established the ALCF AI Testbed. This is an infrastructure of the next generation machines with AI hardware accelerators. So the primary goal here is to provide a platform to evaluate the usability and performance of different applications on these systems, and also to understand how we can integrate these systems with upcoming systems. So currently, so we have these 5 systems: the Cerebras, Sambanova, GraphCore, Habana, and Grok. And today, we started with the first generation of the systems. We deployed them maybe a few years ago, and we kind of upgraded to the latest generation hardware and also scaled up the resources. So currently at the AI Testbed, so we have 2 Cerebras CS-2 nodes, and each is called as a wafer scale engine, which is a pretty massive 850K core chip. And we'll be learning more about that going forward. So the access is we have the production system resources, and one can request allocations on the system through different ways. So one is the ALCF Director's Discretionary Award Program. It's the links are listed here. So basically, if a user wants to get allocation on this system, they can send a request citing their project description, what they want to achieve, and we have a pretty quick turnaround time. The systems, and once allocation is approved, so you can access the system and try running your science codes on this on the CS2 system. So today we have a pretty exciting topics. So we're covering the overview of the Cerebras hardware and software, and kind of going into more details of how do we port a model, learn more about the data loaders and the APIs, and some tools on how do you monitoring the job execution and understanding the performance. And after the break to the second half of the session, so we also have a hands-on session to access the CS2 at ALCF. So for those who have their accounts approved, so you must be able to log onto the system and find all the documentation on the page. So this is the page. It's on the docs.alcf.nl.gov. So we have detailed information on how you can access the machine, how do you get started, and it will be helpful for you to try this out, and you can join along the hands-on session. We'll be running through 1 or 2 simple examples. And there's some of the publications that we have that are run on these AI testbed systems. And yeah, going forward, I would like to welcome to the Cerebras team. We have Duncan, Natalia, and Sylvia, and others. So whenever you're ready, please take it away.